Good evening everyone, good evening sir. And this is our video representation. So let's proceed. Ang choose nga topic sir is about kay Rene Descartes o kay David Hume. Rene Descartes. The famous word is the man who proved existence with one sentence. Some argue that Descartes assumes the very thing he is trying to prove by thinking. He claims to establish his existence. But doesn't this already assume that the existence of a making self? Para sa among grupo sir, ang among answer kay he does not claim his existence. His starting point is that an evil devil could trick him into everything he is seeing right now. His hands, his body, everything around him. Who is doubting this? Therefore he is. Kumbaga sir, mag-doubt man ta sa akong kaugalingon. So ang doubt ato, ang pag-doubt na to, ga-think ta ba? Pero ito ang sud sa doubt kay thinking nga ga-defy good nga feature of the human identity. For example, inaaman tayo self-consciousness and self-awareness. I will give you example. Like, if you look at the wax, what do you think of it? It smells good, right? Like, apoy lahi-lahi nga color, red, white, etc. Pwede po nimo siya ma-mold. Kung ibutan nimo sa kalayo, pwede nimo ma-mold, malahi-lahi og form, bisag unsang form. Pero all of these assumptions are made by the senses which cannot always be trusted. So how do you perceive the wax? But by understanding the idea of the wax itself. Therefore, nothing can be perceived more evidently than his own mind. And we'll proceed na punta kay David Hume, sir. David Hume is, mahuna-unaan ako si David Hume is maragduhan na ako mahuna-unaan siya, which is emotion and reason. Dagog-uban, sir, nga marag ga-argue sila nga marag ang emotion, ang reason is naay thinking. Pero para kay David Hume, same na sila duha, like the idea that all knowledge comes from sensory experience. Like, ba? Para niya, iyang point of view is, need pa nimo ang ma-experience ang usa ka bagay. Need pa nako ma-experience ang usa ka bagay, usa ko butuo. Para sa atong pinaka limpyo nga example nimo nako, sir, nga about sa picture nga pag makitaan, which is for Rene Descartes, if makita nimo ang picture nga, family picture nga happy sila, is ang imong mahuna-unaan sa mga tao or ikaw. Pinakakuan gud nga example sir nga atong makuan David Hume is katong imong gi-share sa amo sir nga kanila Rene Descartes kay kung magtan-aw ka sa picture, family picture nga ga-smile sila nga murag happy, ilang imong pagtuo which is happy sila. Pero pagdating kay David Hume, skeptical siya ba? Meaning, murag dili siya dali bitong ma-convince. Kaya wala man siya dito sir, murag wala man siya ka-experience, wala man siya dito. Usab bitaw siya matuo sir nga kung maka-experience na siya sa bagay. Mao lang na sir. Thank you sir. Unta mo sabtan.